Hello, YouTube. My name is Romelo Ethan, and today I'll be helping you understand the basic concepts in information technology. So, exactly what is information technology? Information technology is the products, methods, inventions, and standards used for the purpose of producing information. The basic concepts within information technology is hardware, software, networks, and the internet. And as you go through the video, you will learn the everyday use of it and exactly what it is. Hardware is the physical parts of a computer, and these parts are tangible, meaning they can be physically touched and physically destroyed. Examples of hardware are RAM, CPU, SSD, USB, a mouse, and etc. All these examples have their own significant uses and they correlate with each other in a way. For example, a mouse has a USB attached to it that allows it to get inputted into the laptop or computer, which is why it's considered an input device. An output device will be a Bluetooth speaker, for example. If I connected my Bluetooth speaker to my laptop, it would output the data received from my laptop and play whatever music or whatever video that I decided to play. The efficiency and productivity of software depends on the hardware used, meaning if your hardware is out of date or not up to par, then your software won't efficiently run or run as fast as it should. What is software? Software are the intangible parts of the computer, meaning they can't be physically touched or destroyed. They only can be seen or experienced. Software runs programs and manages hardware. And hardware is nothing without software, and software is nothing without hardware. There are different types of software: system software and application software. System software is what our computer uses or laptop uses. It's integrated into the system and it's told to do something, so it's going to operate that way. Application software is used for apps. So DraftKings, for example, it's a sports betting app. It has application software. It has to be implemented into and done before the app is released so it can officially run. Next are networks. The definition of networks are devices connected to share resources. Different types of networks are LAN cables, which are used for short connections, versus WAN cables, which are used for long distance connections. They vary from city to city or even country to country. The image that you see on the screen is a LAN cable. So with that LAN cable, you will connect it into your Wi-Fi router or box, and the other end you will connect it into whatever device you need to get a strong connection. So I'm a gamer. I play PlayStation. I would connect my LAN cable to my Wi-Fi box and connect the other end to my game so I wouldn't experience any type of internet problems. It would run full, it would run smooth and efficiently. The importance of security when it comes to networks is a must. Like you have to be on your best with security. You have to have strong passwords. You have to have firewalls. You have to have encryptions. You have to have virus protectors. Like it's a lot that goes into it. Although it is a lot, not to contradict myself, it is not as much as it seems. As long as you keep up with technology and use it every day, it will be secondhand. So what seems like a lot will actually be a little. Moving on, what is the internet? Everyone knows what the internet is. Without the internet, you wouldn't be able to watch this video. I wouldn't be able to make this video. I wouldn't be able to research all the information that I did regarding this topic. Like, without the internet, we wouldn't be where we are today. But what is it? It's a global network of networks. It's used for everything: social media, streaming, emailing, researching, video, and everything. It's the backbone of modern communication. Without the internet, today wouldn't be what it is. The difference between the past and now is the internet. The internet opened up so much more to the world. This is just a chart of common internet activities measured in hours per week. As you see, streaming is at the top of the food chain and everyone streams. As mentioned earlier, the internet changed what the world is known as today. Without the internet, we wouldn't be as advanced and far along as we are. It changed how we think, it changed how we operate. Back in the day, it was known that you needed a labor job to live a sustainable life, whereas today, you have the internet. You don't need a job. You can sit on your butt and make money, good money, all day. It's not something I recommend, but if you wanted to, it's available to you as long as you applied it the right way. The risks are there, but the benefits are much more superior. As you see, risks are data privacy, cybersecurity threats, and etc. As we conclude the video, I hope that you learned something, that I properly explained the basic concepts of information technology. As I explained, it is a part of our everyday life, and understanding it helps us use tech more safely and efficiently. And if you have a basic understanding of it, you should put forth more effort to learn more about it, because the more you know, the more beneficial you are. Other than that, I hope you have a blessed day and a blessed week, and I'll catch you next time.